Dear learners, welcome back to your educational channel Learn and Educate, where we were studying about the Right to Information Act 2005, where Right to Information Act is an act which has provided a framework for the purpose of giving information to the citizens of India from the public authorities and having access to the information which are held by the public authority. It is right of information available to all the citizens of India. In this video, we would be studying about what is the meaning of Chief Information Commissioner and the Information Commissioner as per the RTI Act 2005. Therefore, as per the Section 2, Clause D of the Right to Information Act 2005, the Chief Information Commissioner and the Information Commissioner means the Chief Information Commissioner and Information Commissioners who are appointed under subsection 3 of section 12, where the section 12 speaks about the constitution of this Central Information Commission, where the Information Commission is established by notification which is in the official gazette to form a body to be known as the Central Information Commission to access the power which is the conferred upon it and to perform the functions which are given to the Central Information Commission, where the Information Commissioner is formed because of the Chief Information Commissioner and the Information Commissioners. As such, Information Commissioners shall not exceed 10 in number, which is deemed necessary, and it would be headed by the Chief Information Commissioner, where these persons are appointed by the committee. By the committee, these are appointed on the recommendation of a committee which would consist of the Prime Minister of India, who would be the chairperson of the committee, the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, and a Union Cabinet Minister, which is nominated by the Prime Minister of India. These are appointed Chief Information Commissioner, and Information Commissioners are appointed by the President, but on the recommendations of the committee, which consists of three persons: the Prime Minister of India as the chairperson of the committee, as the chairperson of the appointing committee, the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, and a Union Cabinet Minister who is nominated by the Prime Minister of India. They would recommend to the President, and the President of India shall appoint Chief Information Commissioner and Information Commissioners to the Central Information Commission. Therefore, these persons which we are studying, what is the meaning of the Chief Information Commissioner? This commissioner is the commissioner of the Chief Information Commissioner. Therefore, he is called as the Chief Information Commissioner, and there are other members who are called as Information Commissioners of the same Central Information Commission, where they are appointed by the President on the recommendation of the committee, which is composed of the Prime Minister of India, the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, and a Union Cabinet Minister, which is appointed by the Prime Minister, who recommends this Chief Information Commissioner and appointed as Chief Information Commissioner under Section 12, subsection 3, and Information Commissioners are appointed under Section 12, subsection 3 on the recommendation of the committee by the President. Therefore, Information Commissioner and Chief Information Commissioner are appointed by the President under Section 12, Section 3, which is about the Constitution of Central Information Commission.